Hello everybody, we're today into the steeps and we're going to talk about strapping and unstrapping at the top of a steep line, because it can be quite intimidating, and if you don't do it right, it can put you in a precarious situation. It's super important that at any time into your riding, into your exploration, you're able to unstrap or strap so that you keep that mobility and that flexibility so that you can be safe. Obviously, if you have the option of strapping on the ridge, on a little flat ledge, or into a little wind lip under a cliff bend, it's always better when you have a platform that's already made. Using your board or the ice axe or any rock will change the game, at least while you're doing the platform. Okay, back foot, bump with the heel, super secure. Take the board by the tips of the high backs, up. And voila, once you're there, it feels a lot better already. Once you've got the front foot strapped in, it's easy to make sure that your edge is well set into the snow. So now we can clear the snow. And voila! Now it feels a lot better. The common mistakes in that whole process is, number one, to drop some gear while you're just faffing around. It's super easy because you start spreading out things, and then it could be pretty critical to lose gear into the mountains, into the steeps. The other main mistake is to not lock in well enough the back foot into the snow, to not have it secure enough, especially on a hard snow. This is basically the key to being able to turn back whenever you ride into a situation which is not comfortable. I can't go anywhere. The only option is to go up. So this is the nightmare situation for any snowboarder. Being on hard snow, above exposure, getting blocked, and you need to unstrap. So back foot first. Make sure you really secure your heel. Third point of contact, and then front foot. Then secure your second foot. If you have a platform, it's even better. And voila. So now I can get out of this in a safe way. Strapping and unstrapping might seem to you like super basic, but it can be super tricky when it gets too steep and the snow condition is not what you expected. So make sure you practice whenever you're in the steep, whenever you do it. Think about it, think about all these tips I gave you, adapt them to your style, and hopefully you're gonna feel more secure and have a blast in the mountains.